Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Laser Focus World. Let's take a look at some of the amazing things happening in photonics. Revival of one of the world's oldest image creating approaches could someday revolutionize next-generation imaging. Researchers at East China Normal University are using pinhole imaging, in which light passes through a tiny hole in a light-proof box to project a reversed image of what's outside onto the opposite surface inside, instead of lenses, to design a mid-infrared imaging system. They say their method is more effective because it inhibits distortion, operates across a wider span of wavelengths, and covers an infinite depth of field. The new pinhole-based camera system captures clear images over a large range of distances and in low light. The team used a laser to form an optical pinhole, essentially an artificial aperture, inside a nonlinear crystal. That crystal, made via chirped period structure that receives light from many directions, then changes an infrared image into visible light. The team says their new system, which is still in the proof of concept stage, could potentially benefit applications like environmental monitoring, nighttime imaging, and industrial quality control. Kai Labs, a space-based laser communications developer in France, is now set to expand thanks to 57 million euros in funding from various investors, including the European Innovation Council. The funding will, in part, allow the company to scale up its delivery of optical ground stations, each of which operates two-way transmissions at a 10 gigabit per second data rate. Representatives say the money will also help Kai Labs expand its international presence and increase optical ground station production. Metasurface innovator MetaLens will soon expand its product and patent portfolio, which covers technologies like metasurfaces developed in the Capasso lab at the Harvard John A. Paulson School of Engineering and Applied Sciences. Company officials say the move allows them to further boost the metasurface optics market and continue building their foundational technologies. Montana-based infrared optics and materials manufacturer Lattice Materials has been recognized for outstanding workplace safety performance by the state's 2025 Governor's Safety Achievement Award. Company representatives say this is a notable achievement in the advanced manufacturing sector, in which specific safety procedures are required for tasks like precision machining and handling specialized materials. A long-standing problem for resonance switching for nanophotonics could now have a solution. Teams from Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich in Germany and Australia's Monash University have developed an ultrafast on-off switch that controls coupling between crystal and silicon nanoresonators and light to generate resonance in just picoseconds, or make it completely disappear. Conventional approaches to tuning nanophotonic devices can fade light, but can't instantly turn it all the way on or off without significant energy loss. The team's new system involves metasurfaces that act as optical resonators to trap and amplify a specific color, as well as temporal symmetry breaking, enabled by two different asymmetrical silicon nanorods whose optical responses essentially cancel each other out. The team says this means the light is switched off, making the structure invisible to light. That light switches on, and the structure becomes visible again when an ultrafast laser pulse temporarily alters the optical properties of one of the nanorods and disrupts the balance between it and the other nanorod. The team says their approach could be used for a range of applications, including high-speed optical communications and quantum light generation. And that's your Photonics Hot List. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit laserfocusworld.com for the latest and coolest news and information. Check out our Following the Photons podcast, too, for some cool interviews and news impacting the industry. Until next time.